Checking your account balance on Verizon is a straightforward process. Follow these simple steps to easily access your balance information. Step 1. Visit the Verizon website. Open your web browser and go to the official Verizon website. Look for the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, find the Account by My Account section on the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 4. Check your balance. In the Account Overview, look for the section labeled Account Balance or Billing. Here, you will see your current balance displayed clearly. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared device. Look for the Logout option, usually found in the Account menu. Now you can easily check your Verizon account balance whenever you need to.